Right guys, so this video is basically a strategy based on what I was saying to Hans and the V-Boy and that on Friday, super scalping. Okay, this strategy, okay, simple 6-pip strategy, right, is market proof. Basically, you can take any market that's thrown at us, right, ranging period, anything, right, and still trade it. Okay, basically, Hans, what you would do is go with a certain direction. Obviously, the flow. If it's flowing, if it's ranging, then you're gonna look at the 15-minute CL and only take trades in that direction until, excuse me, until the signals appear, the LTs or whatever, and change the color of the 15-minute colored line. But once it starts running, Hands, it's basically just going with the 5-minute CL. Okay, the 2 1s, the 3 nils. All right, but yeah, it is very simple thing to do, and I'm also doing this on Chrome, so I can use the speed controller to show you a few trades. Okay, so I'm going to pick a couple of recordings from October. One in particular, I think it's October the 10th. There's a ranging period in it before it breaks out. Okay, and I think if you'd have done it this way, Hans, you basically you would have won the day again, you know. So anyway, let's have a look at October the 4th. First and foremost, right, just let me speed it up. It's a bit hard to see there. Is that up? Yep. Get it to about 5 times. Right, okay, and then I'll pause it. Right. Okay, so there are three types of entries, really. Okay, what you're going to be looking for, Hans. One of them is just momentum, mate. In the 5-minute, in between the 5 EMAs. Another one would be a HA yellow, and another one's the HA BB band. Okay, you're still gonna use the HA whites as your stop loss, Hans. Okay, you're still gonna use the HA white as your stop loss, right? Because this way, going for 6 pips, you might be getting into a trade early, right, and then HA white appears before you get a 6-pip take profit hit. Okay, and then you just get out. All right, because what this does, Hans, is it still gives you control over your risk to reward. All right, and I'll show you as we go through this. Okay, mate. Anyway, right, we'll skip through until we can find a nice trade coming up. Basically, you're only looking at these here, Hans. These, I know you'll be looking at these there. All right, there. Okay, you can see GU's running. UCAT's a bit rangy, plenty of blues. GJ's running. UJ's a bit rangy because of the BB band's going, it's pretty much square. It's not going anywhere. Okay. You can literally, Hans, take everything. If you look at the yellows here, that one. So with a yellow, you'd be like, oh, six pips, easy winner, right? But again, you had the 3 nils here. You see, 3-0, 3-0. When these are open, Hans, fine. Trade the 2 nils, 3-0, 2 1s, 3 nils. All right. You'll find that they're generally 3 nils anyway, right? When they are overlapping, I'll show you like this period here. Okay, you've got to decide, what do I do? Do I go? That's, I think, when most people suffer. All right, because it's like I don't know what to do. It's, you know, do I go up, do I go down? Right, so what you would do is you just say to yourself, well, I'm only taking trades with the 15 CL. Okay, so I mean, you know, you had this period here happens on the GU, right? But the 15 CL, and you're not sure because you know they're starting to overlap a bit here. You just say to yourself, well, it's 15 CL, so I can only take up. Okay, so you had one here. If it hadn't won by the time you got to there, then you got out with the HAY if there was one there. Okay, if there wasn't one, and I don't. Oh no, that's this one, isn't it? Here now, right? If there isn't one, then stay in. Bang, you would have won. Easy. It's easy to get 6 pips, and this is what this video is all about. Probably going to call it the super scalping 6 pip strategy. I think I've named one something similar to that in the past, but at least with this one now, I'm giving you a definite direction, Hans, when it's ranging. Okay, and it will be the 15 CL. All right. Anyway, we're going to crack on. Excuse me, through it, but we've just had one here on the UCAD here. This is a 3-0. All right. HA yellow. In with the yellow, Hans. Right. If you see a yellow, you can get in with the yellow. All right. So you see this one here, Hans. You'd have been in here. Right. Going out. Oh, that appears against you. Right. You've not got a white with you. So if that appears against you, just get out. Okay. Then bang, in again with the yellow. Don't hang about for momentum. When it's a 3-0, you don't need to hang about for momentum, and it's 1. I think that's 1 anyway. 11, you might have been in at, say, 12 or 13 for lousy entry, right? And it's 19 at the moment. So if it gets another pip, you would have won. If not, if it gets HA white against you, you get out. Okay? But again, you can see here, Hans, if you get a 5-minute yellow, because you're changing direction, you know, you can take these, but you need momentum, in my opinion. Okay, you need the momentum. And again, that one's already gone. 11 pips. I'll pause it 12 pips there, Hans. So I'm pretty sure when momentum flashed and we're here, right, that one's 1. You know, if you see correlating 5-minute yellows as well, guys, I know it's off the UCAD today, but the UJ was on point, and they're generally gonna work. Okay, so you would have had that one as well there, Hans. Look, you're in, but it's not one here. White appears there. Now, the only thing that's going to turn this around now, Hans, the only way this is going to go against you is if there was a HA white down here. If not, it's going to win. Okay, and there you go. You would have won that one. Yeah, easy. That's showing 9 pips, but it was lower than that. Okay, you're after 6. All right, Hans, and it'll get to a point, Hans, V-Boy, where you will just pick one pair and say, well, I'll just trade this all day, because you will be able to go, you know, both ways. Up, down, up, down, up, down. You know, you understand, guys. And this will also get you used to trading reversal setups or ranging setups as well when you start seeing 5 yellows and 15-minute blues. All right, but anyway, let's crack on. I was looking for, excuse me, 20 here. There we go. 21. So that one, Hans. There's one there. Okay, this one. Yeah. Look. Okay, if you took the 5 yellows, I'm pretty sure they both won. Okay, but if you had a choice there, Hans, between the 5 yellow against the flow and the 3-0 with the flow, you go take that one with the flow. Okay. All right. Right. So again, we'll just flick through and show you some more. Right. So you had one here. Again, HA white backs you up. I'm not sure what you were in at there because I can't see. There we go, 64. So let's say you got in at 66 there. Look, it was already 70. So it would have won. Even though it's now going back down. The other thing is, Hans, always, you know, after big moves, right? For me, after big moves, you want price back in here. Okay, in amongst the MAs, right? These are a bit short, are risky, so you could have ignored this one, Hans, you know, in favour again of the UCAD, because that one was back in here, look, and that one would have won. Okay, so if you're just using these here, Hans, right, you probably already 2-0 up on the UCAD here. It's 2 free, quick 3-0s there. Okay, and again, Hans, you know, if you look at this trade here, right, and it went up, and it went, and if it hadn't won there, Hans, that, you just get out with that. You see it there? And you probably would have won a pip or two. But that would be your stop loss, Hans. In other words, right, because you're only after 6 pips, you'll win something like 99% of these hands. Trust me, the 6 pips is easy to get, right? But it makes your risk to reward very, very good, very good, because you know your losses are going to be like at the most 2 pips, 3 pips at the very, very most. I think 3 pips, right? And if that's the case, then your risk to reward is 1 to 2 at worst, right? Which is really, really good. All right. Yes, you'll be in and out a bit, Hans. It's inevitable until you get, you know, more comfortable with this. It's inevitable, right? But trust me, mate, at the end of the day, you'll win your day and you'll be 30, 40, 50 pips minimum every day. Okay? Right, so anyway, we'll crack on, show you some more. Yeah, you see, look at this one. He didn't get a HA wipe there, Hans. Easy winner. Easy 6 pip winner. Okay? Right, we'll be looking at this GU in a minute. Right, so we're looking here now. HA yellow. It's back in here, so momentum. You can use momentum because it's, you know, you're after 6 pips. So we'll just let this one go and we'll see what price we're getting at. Okay? On the GU. You see, I've always got my eye on what's going on here as well, you know. So you're looking there and there, Hans, that's it. Remember, this is sped up, so 5 times, so we can actually, you know, do this a bit different to how I normally do it. That's still red. Gets to this yellow line here, then basically it's a 15-minute orange line bounce, and you should get a nice 6 pipper off that. Ooh, come on. Oh, there's red mom on the UCAD. Right, pause. Momentum, Hans. See it? Momentum. 61. Okay? 61. You're in that. GJ, I know you don't trade the GJ, but look, they had a HA yellow here. Right, anyway, 61. So 67. Play now. First thing we want, Hans, is what? HA white. Yeah, HA white up. We don't get it and mom flips, then we just exit. There's the white, 64. 63, 63, 64. What did we say? 67, didn't we? Ooh, mom flipped on us. We've still got the white, so we're okay. Okay, 65, 66. 65. HA yellow, don't worry about that, it's the white. It's important. Come on. One pip, one more pip. Go on, push over. And this is even probably going against. Oh, we saw 67 there. There we go. It's one, Hans. That was it, Hans. Look, it's one. You've won your 6 pipper, and this is probably now going against a reversal setup, Hans. Look, this is going to kick in now. Because you've had this kind of move, the bounce here off the 15, so it's probably going to start going down now because of the blue. And well, it's not just a blue, it's quite a big setup. Yep. Daily orange line 148 with a blue. Massive signal, the blues, guys. Massive. They're the ones. I mean, how many times have we seen a 1 hour red disappear? You know, or do what that 1 hour red did there. Look. Right, blues make huge difference. Okay, you can see here, look what that 4 hour blue did there. Oh, that 4 hour blue did there, that 8 hour blue did. You understand, that was probably a mixture of about 4 or 5 different signals there because of the strength of the down. Alright, so, you know, Hans, that was it. You got in with momentum this time, but once price was back in here, because after that big move, now the chances are, like I say, it's probably going to go down. Alright, but that just shows you how easy it is, Hans, to get 6 pips. And you stayed in when that HA yellow was against you because the HA white was with you. Okay? So today, Hans, just trading these two here. You're 3-0. 3-0 already. Okay? You know, I mean, you don't often trade after session, but imagine it after session, mate. Sometimes they just keep going the same way like that. All after session. You know? So this is showing you, Hans, that it's so easy to get 6 pips. Okay, mate. And again, look, Hans, you know, even though it's not perfect on the UJ, you know, every down move, if you're ever unsure, go with a 15 coloured line, right? Every down move gave 6 pips. Apart this one here, you see this one here, right? Maybe not, but you know what you would have got here? HA white up. So that was your stop loss. You were out before it did that. Okay, and then you were back in again there. Winner. This one here, winner. There, look. Bang. Okay, did it win for 6? Below 90. Well, it's 99 and it went way below 90, so definitely won for 6 pips. Okay, so anyway, I'll just crack on through a few, show you a few more. Yet another 3-0 here. Oh, I'm just showing you something there. Look, HA yellow hands, bang! 5 minute orange lines. They don't necessarily need to be on the BB bands, hands. It's here. Oh, else, I'll pause it there before we go any further, right? 5 EMAs here. Okay. HA BB band or HA yellows. Signals, if you get a HA white on the BB band with the flow, generally they win as well. Okay, it's just that you don't always see the white straight away on the BB band. Excuse me. Okay, so again, Hans, you could have taken that one. You could be 4-0 up now. You know, and alright, you know, I think the video started late, or we've just fast forwarded a bit. Okay, we could be 4-0 up now, Hans. Okay, and we'll crack on. You might have read this, Hans, as a second move. Okay, because of the 1 hour blue. Great, HA yellow, it won here. It won here, as the blue showed up, if not before that. That's how quick 6 pips is, pal. Okay, now then, flipped up 5-minute BB man, probably going to react. Okay, you've got a HA yellow, so you can take it on hand, safe in the knowledge, right, that if mum flips red, you get out. If you don't get a HA white up and then mum flips red, you get out. If you get a HA white up, it will take a HA white down to stop this, to turn this. Okay, so let's say you got in at 55 here just based on a BB band trade. You don't have to, you can wait for momentum if you wish, hands, because generally, you know, trades with momentum are going to give 6 pips. All right, but anyway, we'll say you got in at 55. Oh, it followed straight away. You're in at 55. First thing we're looking for, hands, HA white. Right, mom flips against you, you didn't get white. Okay, you lost 4 pips on that particular trade. Hands. Right, but you see how you didn't hit your 6 pip stop loss. By the way, set your stop loss to 6 pips, hands, just in case there's any spike. All right, you know, you're not going to win every trade, hands, but you're going to win most because 6 pips is easy, very easy to get. You might not have taken this against this now, hands. That would have been the wiser thing to do, thinking about that and saying, no, okay, I'm not risking it against that. Okay, in which case, you probably took this one here. All right, because you're still with the flow and there's nothing saying the flow's turning on the LTs. All right, so anyway, we'll go on and have a look at this. We'll just watch that UCAT just in case as well. Right, you see the white appear. It was late, but again, hands. Right, you know, if you were in straight away here, you probably, at the very worst here, were break even, hands. At the very, very worst, that was break even. Okay, because the white got you out. All right, you had another one here, hands. Look at this, going with the flow there. I know sometimes the yellows are late, guys. This is why you've got to say to yourself, well, BB band, EMAs, 5 EMAs, maybe wait for momentum. It's entirely up to you, all right, how you do your entries. But the HA yellows, if they're there, you can take them because they are super entry system. And before mom flashes, you can be 3 pips, 4 pips up. That one there was 4 pips. Before mum flash, you can see mum probably flashed red here on that one. Understand? So you would have been 4 pips, 3 or 4 pips up before mum flashes, and then that happened and you would have won. Oh, pretty much would have won. Okay, right, the yellow's still there, so again now it's mum. You want green mum because the last mum had flashed. Oh no, it says green there. So yeah, you could be in again with that there because the last mum was green. I didn't see that, I thought it was red. If you were, right, again, you've got a good early start. Okay. Right. I need to fast forward in a minute because I want to get to, it's just your entries, guys, and your exits, hands, that I'm trying to teach you now. And the fact that, you know, you will get 6 pips very, very quickly, plus the fact that you're using HA whites against you. You've not got a white here yet, by the way. Right, so that's what you want, HA white up. Right, right, mum flips on you. If you took that again, you're out. And again, hands, that's, you know, it costs you nothing to have a go at that. All right. Because, you know, for 6 pips, right, you can get 8, 9, 10 times a day very, very easily, guys. And when we're looking at pip value, you know, your lot size, you're winning 30, 40, 50 pips every day. It's not going to be long before you start thinking of upping your lot size. Okay, so we're just going to fast forward. Keep fast forwarding through these there. You see, you would have been thinking down because of the blue hands, so you probably would have attempted this one when it pulled back here, and you would have won that. Oh, looks like news. Yeah, there must have been some news. That's a jump there from there to there. Yeah, UJ showing the same. It was new, so you shouldn't have traded around then. Try and avoid that. But again, look, Hans, you attempted it here, you got out. You attempted it here again, bang, it's one here. Hans, now look. You understand, mate? So, you know, you could have been, I don't know, 5, 4 or 5, 2, just trading the one pair, the UCAD today. You understand? You know, and your two losses would have been minimal. Very, very small, in fact. Alright, so anyway, fast forward, just show you some more. Another one here, not on the BB band, but is it? I can't tell empties. Put it in the worst possible place. There we go. No, it wasn't on it. But again, might have been momentum that got you in. This one had turned, then look, Hans, become a 1, 2, 3 nil. Back here, bang, it's one there. That would have been momentum. Alright. And again, let's just fast forward. See if we've any more there. Again, showing you correlating 5-minute yellows work. Again, hands up. 5-minute yellow. 5-minute yellow. Yellow, bang, one. White followed up, bang, one. This one here, 3 nil. Look, bang, one. UCAD, looks like it's going for it here. Okay, it was momentum. Right, white's there now. 65, 56, you know, depending on your entry there, look, that would have won. It's already gone 12. That's 12 pips. So imagine an early entry there, Hans. You're already out. You've already got the pips in your skyrocket. You know, this one here, look, gee, in, out. Okay, because that signal can push it, right? But then momentum flips again. I've just seen it flash red. In. HA white follows. Let's have a look at this one. It's a flipped up 1 hour BB band, so I would expect here this will start going up shortly, but we're in this down. So yeah, start to get signals. Nevertheless, we'll trade it. There's momentum. Another one on the UJ there. There you go. That I think has already won. Look, we're at 12 from 25. You were in somewhere here with momentum. There. That's probably already won. Again, 6 pips. That one. Look, hands. 1 for 6 pips. This one here. 1 for 6 pips. This one easy. Winner for 6 pips. Do you understand, Hans, how I'm doing this? It's you know, if you can master this, Hans, right, this is going to be your strategy, period. Right, because 30, 40, 50 pips a day, and in for Christmas you could be €10 a pip, Hans. That's 3, 4, 500 a day, you know, and then in the new year you can look forward to keep raising that you know, lot size. Okay, I'll be with you, as I say, a few days this week. I'll trade the same way as you. Try and restrict myself. Okay, but this is in effect, Hans, all I used to do. Okay, forever. 5-minute on his line, 5-minute on his line. Look at all these 6 pips here, Hans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. UCAD alone. You know, and there's probably only a couple of little times around here where you had to use the HA white stop loss strategy. There was one as well, wasn't it, if you remember? Alright, but it costs you nothing, break even, bam. Oh yeah, definite winner. But again, now I'd be thinking, you know, up. But here's the thing, it's done its job, right? Be thinking up, but here's the thing, right? You've got 10 minutes to wait for an hour. Okay, so the chances are on the new candle, this will start to go up. Okay, and if, you know, if it does, you just do the same again. 6 pips, 6 pips, 6 pips, 6 pips. That's it, Hans. Okay, so anyway, I'll fast forward again. 5-minute yellow. Look, got the white with it. It's probably already won. 06 to about, what, 18. It probably won there. You know. Oh dear. And he could have taken this one and look. Yeah. Another one here, look. HA yellow. If you had a choice between that and that, take the one with the yellow. Bang. That's one. That has won already for 6 pips. This one looks like it's won. 17. Close. Close. Plus, like I say, new candle there. I fancy this to go up. Okay, but again, you know, it's just, if you fancy it to go up, Hans, here's the thing. Don't be worried about using that as an exit. Now, if you fancy it, at the end of the day, Hans, it's about you and what you think. If you're thinking that might go up now because flipped up 1 hour be bad, fine, get out with the yellow. Right? If not, wait for the white. Right? And you know, use the white as your exit. We'll see anyway what happens here. Yeah, there's your white, you see, Hans. You'd be out. So at the most, you probably lost 2 pips on that, Hans. You know, attempting that one down there. Okay? Right. I'll just flick through here. Yeah, and then it started going up. Look, from that second move there. That was the second move. Flipped up BB bands. Second move. There. That's with that one there. Second move. But again, you know, UJ, look. Look. Bang, bang, bang. All 6 pippers. Right, so let's have a look at another recording. Alright, again, I'm going to just use just 2 more, guys. Right, that was the 4th of October. We're going to look at the 5th of October, then the 10th. Alright, and I will just pause it there. Is that paused yet? Speed you up again to 5. Just makes it a bit easier for you to see, you know, the entries and everything. Okay, right. Look at this GCAD here, ranging. GJ, sorry, ranging. UJ seems to have gone into some kind of range as well, that period there. You see how the BB bands have flatlined. Again, you would just use the 15 CL, Hans. You know, that's it. You just say to yourself, well, I'll use the 15 CL until, you know, it clears up and we get a breakout. Okay. GU, you might have taken on the 5-minute yellow here because you broke 1 hour, 4 hour BB bands. Could have taken that on, Hans. Look. Bang. It's already up 1 there. Right, the other thing is, it's up to you, Hans, whether you use these. I don't think you need to yet. Okay, I don't think you need to yet, right? When a blue appears. I don't think you need to use this yet, but it's entirely up to you, okay? I would just stick with what I've taught you for your entries in this video for now. Yellows, momentum, 5 EMAs, alright? But sometimes when a blue appears and you start getting loads of momentum, you can just take it, right? Because with the flashy momentum, basically they usually when you're after 6 pips, but it's up to you, Hans. And this might be a bit too much for you at the moment. Same with UV Boy, Giant, Igor, you know, you might want to leave these alone for the time being. Okay, anytime you're unsure about direction, 15 CL. That's all you do, just revert to the 15 CL, whatever that's telling you. Okay, right, crack on. Got one here on the GU now. White straight on the BB band. They're very rare. Oh, and then the yellow was like, but you know what, right, guys? Momentum after a pullback there, right? That's one. Already, look, that's already one. Flip down 5-minute BB band here, Hans. Yellow. Bam. Winner. You know, 3rd move. UCAD. GJ here. Look, bang. It's already won. Already won there. momentum, boom. Okay, this is it, guys. It's this simple. 6 pippers win so quickly. Okay, and you can rack them up. This one, you're in here now. Look, 26, 37. You're in with the yellow there. You've won. You're already out. You're already thinking, where's my next trade coming from? You know, look at this one here. Look, you were in here, Hans. If it hadn't won there, I'll pause this. If it hadn't won there, that got you out. What? You know, guys, look at this. This, you were probably breaking even on, right? But let's say you lost 2 pips, right? But then you're back in. Bam, another 6 pip winner. Think of this. These moves. It's 1,000 a pip. Because that's where you will be eventually. Okay? You know, that's all you have to do. Right. Excuse me. Look at the state of this UCAD here. Yeah, look at it. Right? 15 CL saying down. Right? You took that one there. Winner. You took that one there. Winner. You took that one there. Winner. Look. Bang. Bang. Alright? Because it's a mess. You were just saying, no, I'll just go with a 15 CL. You know, and you had at least them 2 there off that red CL. Okay, this one looks to have got running now. Lines are opening out. Bang. Okay, right, let's crack on. And look at the GU there, Hans. You know, easy 6 pipper. Your trade's won here, Hans. And it doesn't matter that you're leaving a lot on the table. What you should be thinking is huge. I'll pause it there a minute. Huge lot size. Okay, this is super scalping, and these trades win quick, and that's what I need from you, Hans, Giant, V-Boy, Igor even, right, is days of consistently winning. Okay, that's what I need to see from you, because this is why this strategy will help. Okay, because it's only 6 pips, and I know you don't like it, Igor. 6 pips, mate, and you might be the first to start this strategy, Igor, and push on to 10, 12 pip wins, or even compounding, Igor. That might be the way you eventually go. Okay, but you don't need it. Honestly, start this way. Get some wins under your belt. Consistency is what it's all about, because it builds confidence. All right. Once you've start winning, you will start up in your lot size. And just out of just to point out another fact, guys, there, you would have won this one down here, which is that one there. See it? That would have won for 6 pips, right? But then the blue. This is what I'm saying. Sometimes you get the blue and then loads of momentum, bang. I mean, it would have won another 6 pipper there before, that. But other times, they can be a pain in the backside, like that one. It went down a bit, but and that happened. So it might be something to leave for the future. Focus on the other entries first, setups first. Okay, Hans. Right, clicking on again. Another one here. Look at this one. In fact, we might go back and check this one here, Hans. Right, so we'll go from here now. So we're looking for momentum. You're back in the EMAs. Okay. Yep, 3-0. So we're looking for momentum or a HA yellow. Or both. I think it was momentum, wasn't it? I saw them on flash. Yeah, you can see the candle here now. It wants to go. Right, pause. Momentum flashed. 45. You're in at 45, right? That means we won for 51. Okay, but again, first things hands, HAY, because the last one was down. Right, There's the white. 49, 49, 49, 49, 50. Bang. You see how quick that one hands? Guys, do you see how quick that 3-0 won there? Literally, as soon as the HA white appeared, you were on 50. And the next flashing mob, boom, 51. It's 52 there. You see what I mean, Hans? How easy it is to get 6 pips. Okay, look, this one, HA, bang, it's already won. 50 from about 62 maybe. This one here, HABB band, 81, it's 60, 66 now. Easy 6 pip win. Okay, you understand, guys? And now, as you can see, this broke out here from that mess. Right, but you traded that mess, and you traded it just with a 15 CL. 1 winner, 2 winner, 3 winner. Then you took the breakout, bang, 4, 5. Okay? You understand it, guys? How easy it is to get 6 pips. Right, we're just going to flip through because the video is going to get mega. Okay? And I'll show you some more. Another one there. Another one here. Yep, another one there. Look, that one won 71.55. 16 pip. You definitely got a 6 pipper in there. Okay? Again, you know, you could have taken this one here. Right? If it hadn't won for 6 pips here, this one. Right, I'll pause it. Oh, don't want to do that. Pause it. Right. If it hadn't won for 6 pips there, which I'm pretty sure it did, went below, it was below 50 and it went to 59, so it would have won. Right. The hell's your HA white? Look. You see what I mean, guys? You'd have been getting out in profit. See, Hans? That was your stop loss. Seriously, mate, if you do this, Hans, right, and you keep going, you really can't lose your day. Okay, you saw on Friday, you know, you had some success on Friday. But I think, you know, this week now, the better you get at this, Hans, the better your scores will be. Okay? Right, so crack on again, just flicking through fast. Bam! Look at this one, Hans. Yes, you might have been in here, then mum flips on you. Didn't have a HA white up again, up parts there. Didn't have a HA white up here, so get out. Then in again. White follows, bang. Your trade's over here. And there's another one of them, let's say, with the blues. You know, if you're getting a lot of momentum, just get in again. Bang. So you'd have had 2 there, 1, 2. You don't have to do it though, Hans. You know, you can just be patient, wait for either the yellows or price back in the 5 EMIs. Again, Hans, you know, from when you come in the room here, I think we had a 5-minute yellow to start it all off. There, 1. So let's say you didn't take that, but you took second move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nil there, Hans. Right, 7-0 just going up with the flow. Hans, here's the other thing. Right. Once you may eventually settle on just trading 1 pair, but trading it mechanically. Okay, so you would think that just going up here was mechanical, right? You see this down here? There was a 5-minute yellow there, broke the 1 hour BB band, bang, winner, easy winner for 6 pips. Broke the 1 hour BB band, there was a 5-minute yellow there, bang, winner for 6 pips. This one here broke the 1 hour BB band again, bang, 6 pip winner, easy. You understand, mate? So eventually you'll be able to spot that and say, I'll take that as well. So that 7-0 there would have been 8, 9, 10. Not this one down here. No, because it didn't break the BB bands. Okay, but for now, Hans, just go with the flow. Right, so that moves me on to the last video I'm going to show you, because there, well, I'll just flip through this again. Look, another winner there, Hans. Probable another winner here, Hans. Flip down 5-minute BB band there, Hans, bang. This one down here, Hans, bang. This one down here, winner. You know, they're all one for 6 pippers. Look at the UJ. 5-minute flip down BB band there. Bang. You might have got out here, this one in, and then out because the HA white appeared against you. Cost you nothing. But then look, bang. There. Bang. That one for 6 pips. Okay. So again, we'll just flick on a bit more. Again, you know, bang. This one, you might have taken this one here, but no HA white and the momentum flipped against your hands. Get out. Look, it would have cost you nothing. Absolutely nothing to attempt that. You know, and again, look at this one. Going here, there. Alright, so, right, that'll bring me to the last video, which is the one I wanted to show when it's messy and you can't really read what's going on. Okay, again, I'll speed up and just show you. Whoops. Come on. Right, so at the moment you've had this reversal, you had the run in the morning there, then this reversal, look, mucks about here, and then bang, eventually breaks it. Right, so now we've got this. So it'll go in to a period of consolidation here. You'll tell with all these EMAs overlapping each other. So all you do when this happens, and I'll show you in a minute, you can see it already on the UCAD here, right? All you do when you see that mess, hands, guys, is look at the 15-minute orange line for direction. That's all you need to do, right? Because that way you've got an absolute direction. It doesn't matter, right, if it breaks eventually, because you've got a good stop loss strategy, hands, okay? But you need a direction. Some people, the amount of times I've heard people say, I don't know what to do here now, right? Well, imagine if you just come in and you just look and say, well, I'll just go with a 15. See how for direction. You know, again, hand should only have to 6 pips, so we're going to crack on. And you'll see it shortly, okay? Right, so you might have taken this one up here, hands. There you see it. Just let me pause, guys, before going further. It looks around about 41, so you might not have won. It might not have, you might have had a lousy entry there, hands, and it might not have won for 6 pips, right? But then that HA white appears. Get out. Look, again, hands, it's cost you nothing. You probably got out with a couple of pip win. There, okay. This one here, winner. Okay, yeah, you can say, well, momentum flip there, but get out, and then you're back in. Bang. Right. Did we have an... Yep, this one here, you got that. Look. Guess what you haven't got here? If that trade hasn't won there, guess what you haven't got here? HA white. So you stay in. You stay in. If there's no HA white, the chances are it's just going to be a tiny little pullback like that and then go boom. Okay, and look at this one. You had a 5 yellow with a 15 CL. Easy winner there. Well, 90 to 01. It went 11, 12 pips. So from 13 pips, so you would have won a 6 pipper in there. Okay, but again, you're looking at this one up here now. In fact, we'll trade this. We'll trade this GU up now. Okay, and we'll keep an eye on that GJ. Just, you know, because it didn't have a HA white down. Okay, so we're in at 41. We're in at 41 because of the HA yellow. So first things first, HA white. Oh, there's momentum. Nice. $45. Still not got a white, and it's almost won. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yep, your GJ won, by the way, guys. I'll just pause. Look, because you never got the white down. You stayed in, and bang, that one won. That one obviously won. UCAD obviously won. And all this is, when the EMAs and the 5 are all hugging each other like this, People are thinking, do I go with a 3-0? Do I go with a 2-1? They don't work. 3-0s don't work when it's ranging. Fine. This is what I'm saying now. Look at that. For direction. Okay. Still green, just. Okay. Green. So all your trades here on each pair, you had a definitive direction up. You don't look at the downs, you just look at the ups. Okay, still in this GU. We're in at 41, based on the HA yellow. Excuse me. Come on, get a move on. Right. No HA white, red mom. Okay, just close it. Guys, just close it, because this could bump like that, because the last HA white was down. Alright, but now you're just waiting for mom flip again. Okay, to get in, because your HA yellow is still there. So now you want momentum. Okay, you're out. We're looking for green mom. There, you see what happened there, guys. That's why you get out if you haven't got the HA white with you. Green mom, or yeah, green mom we want. Ooh, HA yellow's still there again. Look, look, you see how it's bouncing up. You know, I'd probably be in again from that anyway, but we're going to wait for the mom this time. But look how far it's gone without the mom. You know, this is why the HA yellows are good. Right, I'm going to pause it. There. Not do that again. 42. Mom just flashed green. Okay, but this is a late entry. You could have got back in with the HA white again. You can see you'd have been in at least 2 pips earlier. Okay, but we waited for momentum this time. Okay. Oh, you pack it in. Right, so we're in at 42. HA white required. There she is. 45 or so then. 42, so what do we want? 48, isn't it? Come on. 45. 46, 47, 48. So 48 then, but we'll let it go a bit more. Right. 49. You see how that works, hands? In, out, cost us nothing. You could have got back in again with the HA yellow or waited for momentum, right? And then the white followed and the blues followed now as well, all right? And again, Hans, that was just saying to yourself, well, you know, because I don't know what's going on here, right? Instead of looking for the 2-1s, 3-0s, I'm using the 15 CL. Okay, until it becomes clear. All right, now I'm gonna just fast forward through this, because look what happens here. Again, you would have won that one there. Okay, you would have won that one on the UCAT there. Right, you would have won that one on the UJ there. All the CLs, 15 CLs are green. This one here, UCAT, probably won again. Already 95. Went to 02, so that would have been close, but you know, well, we'll keep an eye on it, but it looks like it might have won anyway, that. Again, 6 pips. Excuse me. There you go, it won now. Okay, another one here. Look, UJ. White late follower. You see how it mucks around here, but if you're just saying to yourself, well, I'm just going with a 15 CL until it clears up. Okay, until it goes, it's like trading around the 1 hour pause, 1 hour orange line. You just don't know which direction it's going to go, and that's, you can see it here. It's like up, down, up, down. It doesn't know what it's going to do. Okay, so in other words, you're just saying, well, I'm just picking the direction of the 15 CL until it's made its mind up, right? Because if this comes down from this 1 hour orange line, that 15 CL will turn to red. Okay, but then you'll start getting 3-0s based on this here. You see, look at the CL here, middle of the BB bands. All right, so that is all you have to do on this rangy, messy period, Hans, is just say to yourself, 15 CL, 15 CL. Sorry about that. I just had a visitor. Um, right, so where are we? Yeah. So if you just go with the 15 CL, it's just saying to you, right, taking um, the mess away from you. You're not having to work out what's going to happen there. You're just saying, right, I'll go with 15 CL, direction, set. Okay, so again, we're going to fast forward. Here we go, another one on GU there. Probably one. And then bam, we get the breakout. Okay, there was another one here on the UCAD. So winner. Look at this mess here, guys. But imagine if you were just taking the ups out of that mess. This one now turned. Look, it's broke out. Pull back. Down for me. Okay, GU up. But again, guys, you traded that period of consolidation range there by just going one direction. And if you did, Hans, I'm pretty sure you'd have won every trade. Or almost every trade anyway. Right, we'll get through it now. Look, another one here, GU. There. Back in here. Bam. Broke down. Oh, look at this one. There you go, your first 3-0 on the UJ there. This one here, you've got another one, GU. Look, here. 3-0. This one's still a rangy mess, but because you were saying 15 CL, look, you're taking this one up. You weren't bothered about that down. You're taking this one up, and that's probably already won now. 42.52 is the GJ, so you might not trade that anyway. I would advise leaving that pair alone if you're doing this strategy. Okay. Again, we'll fast forward. So you're taking this one here, Hans. Right, you got the white there, so didn't get out here. Bam. If it's not one there, you're out on that one there, Hans. Look, bang. Cost you nothing. What did we have here? Was that 3-0? Close. That might have been a 3-0 down there, guys. That one definitely was a 3-0 down there. You should have taken that one. Okay. GU, again, you're in this one now. Depending on, whether you got him in a HA yellow, you want a HA white now. Okay. So we'll let that run. There's your white. Right. Definite winner, 58. Look. 58. Definite winner. Okay, and again, we'll just fast forward through a few of these now and show you. Oh my god, yeah. Look, again, you had another one here. Okay, it's not an HABB one, but it's back into 5OL there. Look. Bam. Momentum there. Bang. Another 6-pip winner. Guys, they're so easy to get. GU here. That one, look. Bang. Probably one. You had a pullback there. See it? Bang. There. Look. Bang. Winner. Another 6-pip 3-0 winner. Okay. And again, we'll fast forward now. Oh, look. Oh, Mondu, look. And another one here. This little one here now. Bang. Look at this. Right? Stayed a mess. Right? But if you just said to yourself, right, okay, I'll just take the ups. You'd have probably been safe. I mean, it will break eventually, this. They don't stay like this forever, but look at the UJ there, guys. Look at that. Another 6-pip winner. And again, you had another ranging pair. Just one other thing, guys. If the UCAD's not playing ball, in other words, not correlated with the GU, use the UJ. Look, you can see one going up, one going down. This one's probably being driven by cadmon, which means there's something up with oil. All right, but UJ, look, back 3 nils down, GU 3 nils up. Okay, and again, another winner there, Hans. All right, so I think it's pretty clear, now what you need to look for, Hans. Even in that messy period where it's smudging, as La Pipi would say, right? You just use the 15CL for your direction in that period. But once they open up, Hans, these EMAs here, it's all about the 3 nils. So that is in effect all you need to look for, Hans. 3 nils or 15CL direction. Look, another one on the GU there, winning. UCAD finally opened up. Okay, GJ winning, probably won. Look at this. Yeah, bang, 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 bang. Again, 64. It is after session, so sometimes it does slow right down. Other times it just goes. Look at it. Bang, bang. GU, bang, bang. Okay, so I think you can do this. Hans, you can do this, and again, Hans, if you master this, mate, you'll never look back, because this is in effect 5-minute orange line trading. It's what I do. You're not always looking at the HA charts for your entries, Hans. 5-minute orange line plus momentum, okay, is good enough. But the main thing is, Hans, that you get that white with you on whatever trade you take. Okay, if you don't get the white and mom flips against you, close your trade. If eventually, Hans, you will recognise that a flash of momentum against you is not gonna take your trade out, right? And you'll get better and better at it. But for the time being, you need to follow a set procedure, right? If your trade hasn't won for 6 pips, Hans, HA white appears against you, just get out, mate, and wait for the next setup, right? HA yellows, if they're there, HA whites on the BB bands, okay? Momentum on HA BB bands, momentum on in between the EMAs on 5-minute time frame, Hans. And if, as I say, Hans, if you're struggling with direction because it's a rangy, messy period, just use the 15CL as your direction. So in other words, you'd only be taking, like you've seen on this particular recording today, you would have only been taking the GUs up, okay? And the UCAD, you would have taken the UCADs up until the 15CL changed, and then you'd be taking the downs. Look, down, 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 down. Okay, GJ was just up all day. You won't be trading that because the spreads are a bit too big. Okay, and UJ, well, it started off as an up, but then once those lines opened up and you got your 3 nils, it's just 3 nils. And look at that, Hans, you smashed this strategy on this particular day. And it started off with that rangy mess. Look here. Okay. Alright, guys. Yes, I have spoken to Hans a lot today, guys. The video is basically made for him. And V-Boy. Giant, another one. And Igor, if you want to have a go at this. But yeah, anyone can do this. It's so simple. It's so easy. And I know you look at it and you see 6 pips. It's not a lot though, right? But it's 6 pips today at $1, a euro, a pound a pip. And in 2 weeks' time, it could be $10, €10, £10 a pip. By Christmas, you could be 30, 40, £50 a pip. After Christmas, you just push on. Okay, guys, and that is the super scalping strategy. I'll tell you what, we're going to call this, right? It's got to be a 6 pip strategy, but any market 6 pip strategy video. Okay, we'll call it that.